Hey guys, welcome to my channel. This is Dream Create Inspire by Nutka. Today we have a very easy project. Is a patio sign, and of course I'm gonna make it with my Glowforge. The only thing I haven't figured out is the timing. The timing engraving is very long for this sign because it's a little bit big. But yeah, and then everything else is very easy to do. One more thing, guys, before we start crafting, I would like to show you a few stuff that I've been doing. And if you like to see a video or if you like me to share the settings, I will happy to do it. Just leave me a comment down below and I'll do it. I did this for a wedding for the bridesmaids. These are canvas. So I engraved my Glowforge to canvas. It came out very nice. I also did like boxes for the bridesmaids and everything. It was personalized. It's very cute. I'll check if I can find and add a picture in the video so you can see what I'm talking about. So I've also been doing signs, interchangeable signs. Very cute, and the people love it. Very popular on Etsy. I also did engraving and using the trace tool. This is my son's handwriting. I'm not sure if you're able to see it properly, but yes, this is for his teacher. And also ornaments. And what else I have here? And I have a cheese board, cutting board, whatever you want to call it. And it's also with my son's handwriting here. I use for this the trace tool. Yes. So if you're interested in purchasing a Glowforge, I'll leave down below your discount code so you can use it and purchase your Glowforge. It's an amazing product, guys. It's really amazing what you can do with the Glowforge. Yes, so with that being said, let's start crafty. Okay, so this is a really cool trick that I discovered. I follow a few YouTubers and they do DIYs with the Dollar Tree products and all that stuff. So they take the canvas, I learned them from them. They take canvas and just remove everything, right? And this is what we have. We have the framing of our patio sign. So this is you can buy these at Five Below, Burlington, and it's it's a very cheap price and you don't have to do all this work. For me it's a lot, so I prefer to buy it like this. So we're gonna sand this and we're gonna add some paint as well. Okay, so let's proceed. Okay, so I gave the first coat. I'm gonna give a second coat. I'm using chalk paint. And yeah, this is an option. I'm taking this piece of wood. This is what I have on hand, but you can use the whiteboard that Home Depot and Lowe's have, the one that has like a chalkboard on the side and one side has like the whiteboard. You can use that as well, but for me this is what I have in hand, so this is what I'm going to use. So let's proceed to do a second coat. Okay guys, so I have my design in my Glowforge and it's gonna take an hour and 53 minutes, 1 hour and 53 minutes. So it is a lot. So let's proceed. And the settings that I use for this, it's medium draft board, just that is. So it's fine. I've tested it before and it came out nice. So let's proceed. Okay, so my project is almost done. I just have to glue these together. I glued them, and I'm probably gonna add a few nails, right? Small nails to attach them together. But this is how it's looking. So cute, right, guys? Okay, so this is how it turned out.
Cheese.
Isn't that cute, Ivan?
Yes.
It is cute?
Yes.
Who made it?
Mama.
Mommy made it.
Mommy.